Ever seen a pancake bigger than your head? This eggy street crepe stuffed with herbs and crunch, and it's folded in seconds. Stick around. Is that fruit coated in glass? Hawthorn berries drenched in molten sugar. One bite, the shell explodes. Hear it pop.
Do I just eat it like this? Ding. I'll take off my eye mask. Then can I start first? Go ahead. Hello, I'm Boki. Today, I'm here to do a challenge mukbang, my favorite restaurant, Yibigat Jjambbong. I heard that there's a food fighter here, so I'm very excited. If I win this competition, I'll get a chance to eat with my fans. I think it's going to be fun. I'm going to succeed today and get a chance to eat with my fans. I heard that there's a food fighter here, so I'm very excited. But the restaurant is really clean and the atmosphere is good. Wait a minute. I think that's him. He looks so busy. Should I talk to him? Hello, hello, hello. I heard that you're a good eater. You have a lot of energy. Thank you. I think you're going to be a better eater than I thought. I'm so nervous right now. Do you want to have a competition? Let's go. Wait a minute. Do I just eat it like this? Yes. You can eat it like this. It's worse than I thought. The smell is so strong. I think I should eat it quickly. Let's get started. Before we eat, can you introduce this restaurant to us? Our restaurant is called Yibigat Jjambbong, but you don't look happy. I have a headache. Since you have a headache, let's eat it quickly. I brought my secret weapon because I was so excited. If I had a plate in front of me, I would be able to eat it. I'll try it. Let's get started. Should I press it or you press it? Let's press it at the same time. At the same time, there's a small button. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to take off my clothes. I'm going to tidy up my clothes. Can I start first? Go ahead, you're so relaxed. The color of the noodles looks like it's full of sauce. Hurry up and try it. It's so delicious. It's so delicious. How can it be so thick? What do you think of the noodles? About the noodles? The noodles are well cooked today. You know that jjambbong tastes better when it's hot, right? Yes, there's fire in it. Is it Tongyeong fire? It's fire from the mountains in Tog. It's fresh. It's so delicious. The noodles are soaked in the soup. What do you think? Don't talk to me. Aren't you eating with me? It's a little spicy. How do you like the noodles? The noodles are so good. The noodles are so good. When you need the noodles, you can use alkali water. The noodles are softer than other noodles. Does it digest well? Yes, it digests well. You can eat 5 of these. The white kimchi is my style. The white kimchi doesn't go well with other jjambbong. It goes well with our jjambbong. I've never seen white kimchi before. Our jjambbong is close to Korean food. The soup is very thick. You sound like you're talking to me. You're eating so well. How do you like the jjambbong soup? It's my favorite style. It's a little thick. I want to eat rice with it. It's good for your hangover. I want to drink again while eating. You know what I mean, right? Do you want some Coke? Yes, I'd love to. If you make me full with Coke, I'll drink it all. It's so delicious. I've eaten this much. I think I'm a little faster now. I think Tongyeong oysters are the best. I like oyster jjambbong. It's good to have Tongyeong oysters in it. Don't you think Tongyeong will come? I'm done eating noodles. Are you okay? I was surprised that you ate faster than I thought. Right? You told me earlier? That's nothing. I'm done eating. Did I win? Eat a little more. I'm done eating noodles. Should I press the button? Should I say cheers? Yes, please. Thank you for the meal. I heard that this restaurant has unlimited rice. I can't help but eat rice in this soup. Then I'll have 2 bowls of rice. We have 2 bowls of rice. 2 cute bowls of rice. 2 cute bowls of rice. Can I ask you if you're going to win? You're amazing. Do you admit it? Yes, I admit it quickly. I thought you didn't admit it. Thank you. It's so cute. It's so cute. Then I'll have 2 bowls of rice. I think it'll be more delicious because the soup is half dry. I think it'll be more delicious because the soup is half dry. You have to eat rice. You know that, right? You have to eat rice. Wait a minute. I think you ate a lot of rice today. Are you okay? Shrimp. I like shrimp the most. It's uncomfortable to eat in front of me. Now you're using the front dish as an excuse. The front dish is too heavy. The soup is thick. It's like a meat jjambbong, but it's fresh because of the flavor of the seafood. Do you hear the sound of beef bone broth and jjambbong? I keep hearing the sound of curry and I think you should get off work now. I can't concentrate. The quail eggs are so cute, I'm a model. You're going to put quail eggs on top of quail eggs? Someone ate the quail eggs, so I have a complaint. Why don't you give me quail eggs? So you can't give me quail eggs? I won't talk to you. Just eat. I'm done eating noodles too. Do you have rice? Do you have rice? Do you want to eat? It looks bigger than usual. Can I add kimchi? Yes, thank you. I want to eat sweet and sour pork. I want to eat too. I think you're tired. It's hard to eat jjambbong. I didn't know you were talking about rice. Why is your chin so white? Thank you for the food. Enjoy your meal. Am I the only one who eats? Actually, I like meat a lot. I heard that you're good at frying. That's right. You know that, right? What do you think? What do you think? What do you want? I'm confident it's so delicious. The meat is thick. I've never seen sweet and sour pork so white. It's a trendy sweet and sour pork. I want to eat jjajangmyeon too? Eat jjajangmyeon too. I'll eat it after the game. Stop eating. Stop eating. I can't eat it. Then I'll eat one more spoon. I'm done eating. How did you feel about playing with me today? I'm so happy. I shouldn't have looked down on people. I learned a lesson. I'm sorry. I'll reflect on myself. I really enjoyed the food today. Thank you for the delicious jjambbong. So there's a prize. The prize we prepared 100 gift certificates for Levi's Jjambbong. Thank you. If you apply for this, 100 gift certificates will be given to Levi's Jjambbong. Thanks to you. I had a fun experience. Are you cursing with your eyes? It was a fun game. See you again next time. I'll eat jjajangmyeon. Thank you for the food. Thank you for the food. Bye. Thank you for the food. He left right away. Can you wrap the sweet and sour pork for me? Yes, thank you.